Hummingbirds are a delight to behold. These tiny birds shimmer with iridescent colors as they flit from flower to flower. Their energetic movements and aerial acrobatics are a joy to watch. Attracting hummingbirds to your garden is easy with a little planning. You can transform your outdoor space into a haven for these fascinating creatures. Hummingbirds are attracted to gardens that provide for their needs. These needs include nectar, water, and shelter. By planting the right flowers, providing a source of clean water, and creating a safe and welcoming habitat, you can enjoy the company of these delightful birds all season long. Hummingbirds are important pollinators. They play a vital role in the ecosystem. By attracting hummingbirds to your garden, you are not only creating a beautiful space for yourself, but also helping to support the environment. Let's explore the steps you can take to make your garden a hummingbird haven. The key to attracting hummingbirds is to provide them with a plentiful source of nectar. Hummingbirds are attracted to brightly colored tubular flowers that are rich in nectar. Some of the best plants for attracting hummingbirds include bee balms, salvias, and trumpet vines. Bee balms, also known as monarda, are a favorite of hummingbirds. These plants produce clusters of bright red, pink, or purple flowers that are irresistible to hummingbirds. Salvias, another excellent choice, come in a variety of colors, including red, pink, purple, and blue. Their long, slender flowers are perfectly shaped for hummingbirds to extract nectar. Trumpet vine, as its name suggests, produces large, trumpet-shaped flowers that are a favorite of hummingbirds. This vigorous vine can quickly cover a fence or trellis, providing both food and shelter for hummingbirds. Other nectar-rich plants that hummingbirds love include honeysuckle, fuchsia, and petunias. When selecting plants for your hummingbird garden, choose a variety of colors and bloom times to ensure a continuous supply of nectar throughout the growing season. In addition to planting nectar-rich flowers, you can also attract hummingbirds to your garden by providing them with feeders. Hummingbird feeders are inexpensive and easy to use. They can provide a supplemental source of nectar, especially during times when natural food sources are scarce. To make hummingbird nectar, simply mix 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water. Boil the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes to dissolve the sugar completely, then allow it to cool before filling your feeders. Avoid using honey, brown sugar, or artificial sweeteners, as these can be harmful to hummingbirds. Hang your hummingbird feeders in a shady spot, away from direct sunlight. Hummingbirds are attracted to the color red, so choose a feeder with red accents or tie a red ribbon around the feeder to make it more visible. Clean your feeders regularly with a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Section 4. Beyond nectar. Water for tiny flyers. While nectar provides hummingbirds with the energy they need, it is important to remember that they also need water for drinking and bathing. Hummingbirds are attracted to moving water, so a fountain, mister, or dripper is ideal. If you don't have a water feature, you can create a simple bird bath by filling a shallow dish with water and adding a few stones or marbles for the hummingbirds to perch on. Change the water in your bird bath or fountain frequently to keep it clean and fresh. Hummingbirds use water for bathing as well as drinking. They will often flit through a fine mist or take a dip in a shallow pool of water to cool off and clean their feathers. Providing a source of water in your garden will not only attract hummingbirds but also provide them with a place to refresh and rejuvenate. Section 5. Creating a hummingbird haven long-term strategies. Creating a hummingbird-friendly garden is an ongoing process. By following these tips, you can create an environment that will attract hummingbirds year after year. Provide perching spots. Hummingbirds need places to rest between feedings. Provide them with perching spots by placing small branches or twigs near your feeders and flowers. Avoid pesticides. Pesticides can be harmful to hummingbirds. Avoid using pesticides in your garden or choose organic pest control methods instead. Plant for continuous bloom. Select a variety of plants that bloom at different times of the year to ensure a continuous supply of nectar for your hummingbirds. Be patient. It may take some time for hummingbirds to discover your garden. Be patient and continue to provide them with food, water, and shelter, and they will eventually find their way to your backyard oasis. By creating a welcoming and supportive habitat, you can enjoy the beauty and wonder of these fascinating creatures for years to come. Remember, a hummingbird-friendly garden is a gift to yourself, the birds, and the environment.